Okay, for this badge, I created a Kahoot. So over here is my account that I'm going to run, and here is I am logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and start this game. This is over addition. And I'm sorry, this is going to be small, but it says 5 plus 5 equals. You can go 25, 0, 5, 10. So I'm going to hit 10. And over here it says correct and it gives you your streak and points. And over here is the class thing. So if there's more people, it'd say how many people got it right or how many people got it wrong. Also, what you just saw was it was time. So as the faster I go, the more points I get. And it is time. So if you run out of time, you don't answer, then you get it wrong. And again, this is over addition. So I'm going to hit next. And Maddie's in the lead, but I'm the only player. And it says true or false. This picture is a sign for addition. In addition, so I'd hit red for yes or false, and I'd hit yes, and it shows it's right. And keep going. And then I go here, 65 plus 73. And here I'm going to click a random answer to show you how it can be wrong. So the correct answer is actually red, so it shows check mark. Here it shows that I am incorrect because I chose this one, which is obviously incorrect. So I lost a streak, but I can keep going and playing. This is also a competition game, so it's fun between your friends. Is addition easy for you? This is a no opinion question, so you can hit yes or no. So both answers are correct. Just showing the teacher just wants to know the opinion from the students. And then the last question, what is the answer to the question in the video? So what you'll do is you'll watch this video, and you have 9 seconds to answer it. It says 2 plus 2 equals, and then you can answer 4. Correct. Then you have here, you go here. Here are the results. It says you got first place here, and this is how you play Kahoot. Thank you.